Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to export YouTube analytics data to a CSV or Microsoft Excel file. Right, so if you want to analyze the performance of your YouTube videos you have uploaded, you can do that in the analytics page of your YouTube studio, but the better method is to export the data to a CSV or Excel file, because then you have access to the data of more YouTube videos. So all you have to do is open up YouTube Studio, so go to studio.youtube.com, then click on the Analytics tab on the left. Then you can click on See More here. And as you can see here, you can only analyze up to 50 results here in YouTube Studio. So what we have to do is export out the data of these YouTube videos to a CSV or Excel file. And we can do that very easily by clicking on this download button and selecting comma separated values. As you can see, download started. The data has been downloaded. Alright, so data that has been downloaded, you can open the CSV file in a Microsoft Excel file as well, and then analyze the data. So notice I can export out the YouTube video analytics data to a CSV or Microsoft Excel file. Alright, if something is still not clear to you, check out our more detailed instructional blog post on 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞. Links to that in the description below. Also, don't forget to check out our free ebooks, checklists, software deals and templates that help you grow on YouTube and teach you how to make a full-time online business from your YouTube channel.